I'm going to show you how to make my cute little star. You'll need any yarn and matching hook size. I've used double knit yarn and a 3mm hook. I'm going to start by making a magic ring. So you will put the tail in the palm of your hand, bring the other end of the yarn over to make a loop, put your thumb on the cross, put your hook through from the front, grab the yarn and put it through to make one little loop, and then make one chain to secure, and that's your magic ring. You're then going to chain 3 in the air, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to make 14 trebles in the ring. So for your treble, yarn over first, into the ring, pull the yarn back through, giving you 3 loops, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. So a chain 3 and 1 treble made. You're going to continue making trebles until you've made 14 trebles plus your chain 3, so 15 posts altogether. Like so. You'll pull your tail to tighten it, and then you're going to make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. 1, 2, 3. You're then going to chain 6 in the air, 4, 5, 6, and make 1 double crochet in the 2nd chain from the hook. So skip this chain and work into this one here. 1 double crochet, 1 half treble in the next chain, 1 treble in the following, 1 double treble in the next, so yarn over twice, into the chain, pull the yarn back through, giving you 4 loops on your hook, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, and 1 double treble in the final chain. Yarn over twice, into the chain, pull it back through, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. You're then going to skip 2 stitches, find the 3rd stitch along and make a slip stitch in there. Skip 2, 1, 2, find the 3rd one along, slip stitch into there. And you're then going to repeat this. So chain 6, and then work back down the chain, double crochet in the 2nd, half treble in the next, treble in the following, 1 double treble in the next, and 1 double treble in the next. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and slip stitch in the 3rd. And you repeat that all the way around until you've got 5 prongs, 5 pointed star. You're then going to work around all of the edges of the star, making double crochets into the bottom of the stitches and in the tops of the stitches. So find the bottom of the 1st stitch, which is here, and make 1 double crochet in there, 1 double crochet in the following hole at the bottom of the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next, 1 double crochet in the hole at the bottom of the next stitch, and 1 double crochet in the final one. You then find your 1 chain at the top of your point, skipped chain from the previous round, and make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet in there, making the point of the star. We're then going to work all the way back along, making 1 double crochet in the top of each stitch, so underneath both strands of the V. Five stitches on the way back down. Find where you slip stitched before and make a slip stitch in there. And you're then going to repeat that all the way up and back down again for every single point. Weave in your ends and block it, and you get one that looks like this.